Good morning, kids! Today we are going to study about shapes. Everybody say shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we have heart. Everybody say heart. As you can see, we have heart. We have different things from the heart shape. We have balloon, sunglasses, cake. These are all heart shape. Heart. Very good. Next is star. Everybody say star. Very good. This is a star shape. The star have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a starfish. Starfish. A star. A star. These are star shape. Very good. Next we have circle. Circle. This is a circle. These are the things from the circle. Do you know what is this? What is this? It's a cake. Very good. It's a cake. How about this one? Do you know what is this? It's a fan. Very good. It's a fan. And how about this one? Balloon. Very good. It's a balloon. Circle. Circle. Next, we have the triangle. Triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. Oh, as you can see, we have here a sample of a triangle. This is a cone. A cone. Pine tree. Pine tree. Pine tree. Pyramid. Pyramid. This is a pyramid. Very good. This is a triangle. A triangle. Next, we have the square. Square. This is a square. These are the different things. These are the different things that are square shape. Dice. Dice. Clock. Clock. Frame. Frame. This is square. Now, let us review these different shapes that we study. Everybody say again, shapes. Shapes. Repeat after me. Heart. Louder. Heart. Very good. Star. Star. Circle. Circle. Triangle. Triangle. Square. Square. Very good, kids. Now, let us name the shape. Name the shape. Are you ready to name the shape? Okay, let's go. Name the shape. Can you tell me what shape is this? What is this? Square. Very good. Square. How about this one? What shape is this? Triangle. Very good. It's a triangle. Next. What shape is this? Circle. Very good. Next. What shape is this? Star. Very good. This one. Heart. Very good. Good job, kids. See you again next time. Goodbye.